think of this, because this is going to continue to be B-lister, C-lister, D-lister, and eventually he's going to come back and play football next season.
So much left in the tank,
and I didn't
need you back on the field this season.
Listen to that guy. And I didn't think that until I've seen this thing play out this week. This is small time, guys. This is not big time. This is not moving on to the next great career. He's 30 years of age. This is not a great career. This is a poor version of Paris Hilton. Show up at parties and somebody gives me money. It's not going to...
Rebate savings. You have to bribe somebody that has no...
Well, if it was a favor, then that automatically destroys the idea that there's a bribery charge because there's no money involved in favors. If it was an order, then you don't have to bribe somebody that you're giving orders to.
Well, but there wasn't any bribery. We're moving it to... That was yesterday. Today we've got it. There was no quid pro quo. This is major what has happened today. The point about that yesterday was that Vindman was trying to assume that there is some chain of command among world leaders that Trump's at the top of, and other world leaders have to bow down and kiss his feet when he asks for a favor. That's like my general asking me for a favor. It's not a favor. It was absurd. Your point about bribery is well taken, but that's blown up today because Sondland has been forced to admit that nobody ever told him there was a quid pro quo ever.
Daniels, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. Hazmat personnel responded to the Miriam Hospital this morning. Several Rhode Island school districts are banding together to address common issues. A Smithfield man facing drug charges following his arrest in Portsmouth. East Providence police investigating after a body is found on Taunton Avenue. And the Wicked Tulip Farm is moving to Exeter. In sports, the Bruins beat the Devils 5-1, the Celtics and Clippers tonight. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Another raw day is ahead with mostly cloudy conditions and few scattered showers, mainly through the mid to late afternoon. Temperatures only budge a few degrees from morning to afternoon, heading into the low 40s for highs. We fall into the low 30s overnight, and high pressure with sunshine takes over Thursday near 50 degrees. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Unbound.org.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
All right, it's going to be a little bit slow out there as we take a look at things on 95 northbound. Up by Thurber's Ave, it's going to be stop and go. Also jammed up as you get by 146. 146 southbound, watch out for a crash on the ramp to Twin River Road. And then as you look at the 610, all red right